video. Okay, so let's go back to that. And here will be the alphabet. So we'll be learning the German alphabet at the same time. Okay, so we learned the numbers from 1 to 20 in French. Now the alphabet in German. Let's go ahead and start right now. Let's go, guys.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lessons you learned numbers till 100. In this lesson, you will learn the German alphabets. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos, and more. So, let's begin. Lektion 5.
Lektion 5.
Once again, Lektion 5.
Lektion 5. 5 or 5? Not sure.
Das Alphabet.
Das Alphabet. Das Alphabet.
Once again, das Alphabet.
Alphabet. Bait.
The German alphabets are not at all different from the English ones. They are only pronounced differently. Das Alphabet is a collective word for all the alphabets from A to Z. The German alphabet also contains 4 more characters. We will be learning them soon.
4 more characters. You heard it, guys.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Please remember that you have to repeat after me. So, let's begin.
Let's begin.
With each letter, we will be learning a word. This word will be in German, and this word will show us how this letter is pronounced. The first one is already here. A. Apfel.
Apfel. Apfel.
A.
A.
Apfel.
Apfel. Wait. There's some ad coming up, but it's okay.
B.
B.
Banane.
Banana. Banana.
B.
B.
Banane.
Banana. Good.
C.
C.
Couch.
Couch. The same thing. Same thing, literally.
C. Couch.
C. Couch. C. Couch.
D.
D.
Deutschland.
Deutschland.
D. Deutschland.
Deutschland.
That's the name of Germany in German.
Deutschland.
Elephant.
Elephant.
E. Elephant.
Elephant.
F.
F.
Fish.
Fish. The same thing.
F. Fish.
It's just written
You
different.
pronounce fish the same way as you would pronounce in English.
Exactly. It just changes the word structure.
Gitarre.
Guitarra. I don't know.
Ha. House.
House.
Ha.
House.
Here also the
Same thing.
pronunciation is the same as it would be in English.
Amazing. How similar they are. E.
Eagle.
Eagle.
E.
E.
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle.
Yacht.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yacht. Yogurt.
Please notice that the sound of J is that of Y.
Huh?
Ka. Cafe.
Cafe.
Ka. Cafe. L.
L.
Liebe.
Liebe.
L.
Liebe.
M. Mann.
Mann.
M.
M.
Mann.
That's weird.
N. Nagel.
Nail.
N. Nagel.
O. O.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
O.
O.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
When the letter G is at the beginning of a word, then its pronunciation is different. Whereas when it's in the middle of a word or at the end, the sound changes. P.
P.
Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin.
P.
P.
Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin.
Q.
Q.
Quiz.
Quiz. Quiz. Oh, the same thing.
Q.
Q.
Quiz.
Quiz. Quiz.
Just like in English.
R.
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 Wrote.
Wrote. Wrote.
R.
R.
Wrote.
Wrote. Wrote.
S.
S.
Sonne.
Sonnen. Sonnen. Sonnen?
S.
S.
Sonne.
Sonnen. Sonnen. That's
The
cool.
pronunciation of S is like the English Z.
The Sonnen.
T.
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 T is a little softer than it is in English.
That is funny.
U.
U.
Uhr.
Uhr. Uhr.
U.
U.
Uhr.
Uhr. Uhr. Uhr.
V.
V.
Vogel.
Vogel. Vogel.
V.
V.
Vogel.
Vogel. Vogel.
V has a sound of F. W.
W.
Wolke.
Wolka. Wolka.
W.
W.
Wolke.
Wolka. 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 What?
X.
X.
Xylophon.
Xylophone. Xylophone.
X.
X.
Xylophon.
Xylophone. Phone. Phone. Phone.
Y.
Upsilon.
Yak.
Yak.
Y.
Upsilon.
Yak.
Yak. Yak. That's cool.
Z.
Tet.
Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
Z.
Tet.
Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
As mentioned in one of the videos before,
Z.
the sound of Z is the sound of TS that you have in puts, its,
Puts.
etc.
But it's
Now we come to the 4 more letters in the German alphabet.
bear.
E,
E.
bear.
Bear. Bear. Oh, that's almost the same, man.
E,
E.
bear.
Bear. Bear.
The
Bear.
2 dots on top of A are known as umlaut.
Umlaut.
The
Yeah.
sound changes from A to E,
Mm-hmm.
like in Mac or in back. Here the sound is bear.
Bear. Bear. U.
Öl.
Ul. Ul.
Ö,
Ö.
Öl.
Öl. Öl. Öl.
And the next one is Ü.
Ü.
5.
Fünf.
Ü.
Ü.
5.
Fünf. Ü. Fünf.
The umlaut is used only on these 3 letters. The last one looks like a beta sign. That is SZ. Fuß.
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 Esset. Fuß.
It is the
Fuß.
same when you would bring 2 S together.
Yeah, let me just go back to that.
It is the same when you Fuß.
Fuß. That's foot.
It is the same when you would bring 2
S, the
S
set.
together. Together
Fuß.
now, these are the 30 letters of the German alphabet. Let's quickly revise the pronunciations once again.
Okay.
A,
A.
B,
B.
C,
C.
D,
D.
E,
E.
F,
F.
G,
G.
H,
H.
I,
I.
J,
J.
K,
K.
L,
L.
M,
M.
N,
N.
O,
O.
P,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R.
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
U.
V,
V,
W,
V,
X,
X,
Y,
Y, Z,
Ä,
E,
Ö,
Ö,
U,
U,
SZ.
Z.
And here are a few things to remember.
Man, that is so interesting. I love it. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. I think it's amazing. I think it's pretty cool because every language is just so, it's like an art, you know? I don't know, y'all probably gonna think that I'm crazy, but I appreciate how the structure works because English is not my native language, you know, and I was able to learn that by myself pretty much. And it's crazy how I got it, and how can someone learn a language by themselves with having barely any contact to any people, any native speakers. And yeah, of course I have many flaws, but still, just by me getting to this point, and not just me, but everyone who puts time and effort into learning a second language is just so beautiful, man. I appreciate it so much. I think it's beautiful. Oh man, here am I.
SZ.
Here I go.
And here are a few things to remember. The German alphabet has 30 characters, 26 characters from the English, plus Ä, Ö, U, and SZ.
Ä, Ö, U, and SZ.
Ä, Ö,
Ä, Ö, U,
and SZ.
SZ.
J has the sound of
J.
Y.
Y.
V has the sound of F.
Wow.
V has the sound
V.
of V.
Mm-hmm.
No letter
Which is W or V or V. Or, I don't know. I'm very confused now.
begins with SZ.
No letter begins with a set. The German alphabet has 30 characters, 26 from the English, plus the umlaut. The 3 umlaut and then the set.
Great.
Cool.
To practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access.
Alright guys, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, join and embark on this journey with me if you're trying to learn multiple languages at the same time, or if you're just trying to learn one language. Doesn't really matter, as long as you're trying to learn something. We're going to be trying to learn as many languages as you can here, and I'll try to come with daily content, you know, daily content every day. That sounds weird saying it, but I'll try to come here with daily content or weekly content so we can learn together. We're going to be studying. I want to kind of build a community with this channel of like-minded people who are trying to learn a second language, so we can study together. It doesn't matter the language, so whether it's German, French, Japanese, whatever. I'm trying to go through. I'm trying to learn many languages at the same time. And for this video, we just covered French plus German. But it is what it is. I'm trying to learn as an adult, which is even harder, I would say, because I had no previous contact to any of these languages before. Never in my life I spoke a word of German. Never in my life I spoke a word of French. Never in my life I spoke a word of fucking, I don't know, Japanese or whatever. And it's like super hard and uncomfortable. But again, I want to use this YouTube as a resource for us to study and not worry about anyone's opinion, even though you might struggle now, even though you might sound corny or weird when you talk because you suck at it. It really doesn't matter. As long as you're here trying and pushing, that's all that you need to do. Okay? And over time, I hope you can learn as many languages as you can and accomplish your dreams when it comes to learning a language. And I really enjoyed this channel, man. I really love it. I think that this channel here has a lot of potential, and I think if we really put ourselves into here and to learning something, we can definitely become fluent in any language. Doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter if you're 25, doesn't matter if you're 30, doesn't matter if you're 40, doesn't matter if you're 10 years old. It doesn't really matter. It's all up to you. Study as hard as you can and you're gonna get it. Okay? That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.